Chisel shape. Understanding its meaning and usage. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, chisel shape. This is a fascinating topic because it's not just about the words, but also about the imagery and applications they evoke. So, let's dive in and discover what chisel shape means in different contexts. Chisel shape refers to a particular form or design that resembles a chisel, a tool with a straight cutting edge at the end, typically used in woodworking or sculpting. The term is often used metaphorically to describe objects, ideas, or even facial features that have distinct, sharp, or angular characteristics. For example, someone might have chisel-shaped facial features, which implies sharp, defined cheekbones and jawline. In everyday language, chisel shape can be used in various contexts. Here are a few examples. Architecture and design. The building's chisel-shaped structure gives it a modern and edgy look. Art and sculpture. The artist is known for her chisel-shaped sculptures, emphasizing sharp angles and planes. Describing people. He is often described as having a chisel-shaped jaw, a sign of his strong features. The phrase, chisel shape, evokes specific visual imagery. It's often used as a metaphor to describe something as having precision, sharpness, and clarity. For example, in literature, you might come across a description like, his chisel-shaped determination cut through the obstacles. Comparing and contrasting chisel shape with other shapes can also help in understanding its usage. For example, while chisel shape denotes sharpness and precision, a round shape might imply softness or gentleness. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, chisel shape, and its various applications in the English language. Remember, language is not just about words, but the images and ideas they conjure. Keep exploring, and see you in our next video.